Okay, we're going to be talking about indefinite pronouns tonight. Now, an indefinite pronoun does not refer to any specific person, thing, or amount. So, it's vague. You don't know exactly who they're talking about when they use this type of pronoun. That's why it's called indefinite, because it's not definite. Some examples of indefinite pronouns are everybody, anybody, few, many. You see how it doesn't really refer to a specific person or thing? That's why it's called an indefinite pronoun. Okay, now we have singular indefinite pronouns and plural indefinite pronouns. Okay, these are your lists of singular indefinite pronouns. Another, anyone, each, everybody, everything, nobody, nothing, somebody, someone, anybody, anything, either, everyone, neither, no one, one, and something. Now you're going to need to know these, but I'm going to show you a little trick. Notice how anybody, anyone, and anything, you have one, body, and thing. If the pronoun ends in one, body, or thing, it has to be a singular indefinite pronoun. Because look at the rest of them. You have everyone, which ends in one, every no one, which ends in one that ends in one, and something, okay, so that ends in thing. Everybody ends in body, everything ends with thing, nobody, no thing, somebody, and someone. So the only ones you have left to memorize are another, each, either, and neither. So if you can memorize those four, and then just know that if you see one body or thing, then you'll know the singular indefinite pronouns. Now the plural indefinite pronouns, you're just going to have to memorize. It's both, few, many, and several. And then you have some, unfortunately, that can be either depending on the sentence. We're not going to focus on those too much, but these are all, any, either, none, some, more, or most. And it'll just depend on the sentence. Now, of course, why does it matter if a pronoun is singular or plural? Because when you have a singular indefinite pronoun, it has to go with a singular verb, or you're using incorrect grammar. So, for example, we say anybody is welcome. Anybody is a singular pronoun, so we need to use the singular verb is. Each of the players has a doctor, okay? We use has here because each is a singular indefinite pronoun. So it has to go with a singular verb. It may sound like we need to say each of the players have a doctor, but we have to look at the pronoun. And the pronoun is in singular pronoun, so you have to use a singular verb. Okay, so the plural indefinite pronouns must have a plural verb. And these are a little bit easier. Several are going to the game. Only a few were listening. Okay, so once again, we have several is plural, so the verb has to be plural. Okay, so why don't you go ahead and give it a shot. Go ahead and pause the video, and then we will go over these and see what the answers are. Okay, so in the first one, everybody is here. I need to decide, is everybody a singular pronoun or a plural indefinite pronoun? Of course, everybody is singular, so we need to use the singular verb. So the answer would be everybody is here. The next one, every one of them is or are having a lot of fun. We have to look at everyone. Everyone is singular, so we need to choose the singular verb. So our answer is every one of them is having a lot of fun. The next one, neither of us are or is going to the football game. We look at neither. Is neither singular or plural? Neither is singular, so it should be neither of us is going to the football game. Even though it may sound like it should mean neither of us are going to the football game, it's neither of us is, because neither is singular, so you need a singular verb. The last one, few has finished or have finished. Few is a plural indefinite pronoun, so we need to use a plural verb. So it should be few have finished with their test. Well, go ahead and take the quiz, and I'll see you tomorrow.